Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, have you ever wondered why the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam warned us about leaving the bathroom door open at night? Our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave us guidance to protect us, not just from physical harm, but from unseen dangers as well. One of those dangers is the presence of jinn and shayateen. The Prophet said, "These toilets are haunted by devils, so when one of you enters them, let him say, 'O Allah, I seek refuge in you from the male and female devils.'" Reported by Zayd ibn Arqam, may Allah be pleased with him, the scholars explain that jinn often live in places of filth and impurity, such as bathrooms, garbage dumps, and dirty areas. That is why the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded us to keep the bathroom doors closed, especially at night, and to mention the name of Allah. He also said, "When night falls, close your doors and mention the name of Allah, for Shaytan does not open a closed door." The scholars added that this is both a religious and worldly protection. It protects our homes, our families, and our belongings, and it keeps shayateen from disturbing us at night. When a Muslim enters his home and mentions the name of Allah, Shaytan says, "There is no place for you to stay here tonight." And when he mentions Allah before eating, Shaytan says, "There is no food for you here tonight." But if a person enters without saying Allah's name, Shaytan says, "You have found lodging for the night." And if he eats without mentioning Allah, Shaytan says, "You have found your dinner." So closing the bathroom door at night, saying Bismillah when you do so, and remembering Allah when entering your home, these are all shields that protect you and your family from harm. The Prophet said, "Cover your vessels, tie your water skins, close your doors, and extinguish your lamps. For Shaytan does not untie a water skin, open a closed door, or uncover a covered vessel. And if you can do no more than to place a stick across the top of your vessel and mention Allah's name, then do so, for the little mouse may set the house on fire." My dear brothers and sisters, these are simple actions, but they bring enormous protection. Say Bismillah, close your doors, cover your food and drink, turn off unnecessary lights. And remember that the plan of Shaytan is weak for those who remember Allah. May Allah protect our homes, our families, and our hearts from every Shaytan, from every harm, and from every evil whisper. And don't forget, if this reminder benefited you like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with others. You might be the reason someone remembers Allah tonight and keeps their home safe. Wa assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.